Video, I'm going to explain to you what is the meaning of the term polynomial. This is strictly for class 9. So, basically, a polynomial is an expression containing some variables and constants. There is no restriction as to how many variables it might contain. The constants can be just any type of real numbers, but there is a very important condition to be kept in mind, that is, powers of the variables can be only whole numbers. They cannot be rational numbers, they cannot be integers, they cannot be irrational numbers, only whole numbers. So let us see some examples to understand the definition of polynomial. Say I write, first of all I write, say 3x squared y minus half, say y cube plus 0.5 z to the power, say 100. Okay, so this is a polynomial containing, this entire expression is a polynomial. This contains three terms, and the variables here are x, y, and z. Now, as you can see, the constants are 3 minus half and 0.5. It can be, the constants can be any real numbers. There is no restriction on the constants. But all the variables, as you can see, the variables have powers only whole numbers. Here it is 2, here it is 1, here it is 3, and here it is 100. But now if I write something like this, say root 2 z to the power, say 5 minus 1 by root 5 x to the power minus 1 plus 3. Now here what is the problem? The problem is this variable z has power 5, which is a whole number, no problem. But here the power is minus 1. And whenever you have a term like this where there is no variable present, that means that is called a constant term. You can visualize this as 3 into x to the power 0, or any variable you can put, because you know x to the power 0 will give you 1. So here we note that x to the power 0 equal to 1, where x is not equal to 0. So that we are using here. So for this thing, this fails to be a polynomial. Or if I have something like this, say 2 x to the power 99 minus 5 root x. So again, this is not a polynomial, because the power of x is here not whole number, it is half. So this is not a polynomial.